Hey, Tom at QuadSol here. One of the most important things we find about any solar system is data connectivity. Once the panels are on the roof and the inverter's on the wall, you've got to have a good data connection to make sure that your system performance is reporting and you're able to see how much you're generating and if there are any maintenance issues. For a lot of solar systems, this means running a network cable back to some modem somewhere or fiddling around with USB sticks to try and get a data connection. With Canadian Solar product, we've got the 4G dongle and the Wi-Fi dongle, which is plug and play with an inbuilt antenna. These let you plug in straight to your inverter, get a good data connection, and start seeing your performance straight away.
Hi, my name's Will from QuadSol. I'm an installer. I just installed the new Canadian 5 kilowatt inverter. It's very lightweight. The dongle went in straight away. The AC connection was good. There's a lock for the AC connection as well. The data logger was easy to install as well, and very easy to put online. There was online, I had a phone support with Peter, and it was really easy to talk through with him, and he talked me straight through it and we got it all connected. And obviously the lightweight and easy installation. The app was easy to manage, it was easy to scroll through, and everything's detailed and all the information is very accessible. You can monitor the system remotely. All you need is a Wi-Fi or a dongle, 4G dongle connection. The inverter connected straight away. There was no wait time, and then we could monitor directly from the app.